Hello and welcome back to Steaming with Steve. Today we're going to keep going on with our math homework and we're going to do the Dr. Frost examples again. So this time we're going to look at how to use BODMAS to solve these different calculations. So to start, let's jump on in and have a look. So these are the style questions, the simple BODMAS ones. You'll have a link to this that you should be able to access. And yeah, let's jump on in. So to start, we're going to go with question 1 and move on from where we were before. Let's go here. Gonna draw a line like that. And off we go. Here we go. So question 1. So we're gonna go Dr. Frost. Algebra. BODMAS. And that was number 3. Highlight that, make my life heaps easier so I can see your homework. Let's jump on in. So you can either use a calculator if you need, but hopefully you should pick up how to do your skills. So 9 times 7 is 63, plus 10 gives you 73. Number 2, 9 eighths is 72, minus 1 gives you 71. 3 times negative 1 squares, 1 squared is 1, so 3 times 1 is 3, take away 3 leaves you with a 0. Number 4. Do the brackets first, so 3 plus 8 is 11, 11 times 4 is 44, and then 44, take away 7, 44 it would be 37. Number 5. 5 plus 5 times 2, so 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Number 6. 3 times 6 is 18. Take away 1 gives you 17. Number 7. 2 plus 1 squared, so 2 plus 1 is 3. Number 8. We do the divide first. So 18 divided by 6 is 3. Then the times is 5 times 4 is 40, so 3 plus 40 is 43. Number 9, 7 squared is 49. 49 times 4, you go to the calculator, times 4 is 196, plus the 4, 200. Number 10, 4 squared is 16. So I'm going to 16 times 5. Plus the 9, 89. Number 11, 10 divided by 10 is 1. 1 minus 2 becomes negative 1. And then 2 minus 1 becomes 1. Number 12, 1 squared is 1 plus 10 is 11 times 3 is 33. Number 13, 4, that's a bit gnarly. So I'm just going to go straight to the calculator. So 2 times 17 plus 3 times 17 plus 5 times 17. You get what they're going to try and do that. So that's 170. A hack for this, he has got 17 in each one. So you could have done also in other ways. 2 plus 3 plus 5 gives you 10 times 17. And that also gives you 170. It's kind of cool. It's an interesting question. 14. So you can also type this in your calculator. So go 9 plus 8 squared, close the brackets, plus bracket 9 minus 12 divided by 6. And we get 80. Does that seem reasonable? Yep, so 12 divided by 6. Yep. Awesome. 80. So just quickly in my head, 12 divided by 6 is 2. 9 take away 2 gives you 7. 8 squared is 64. 64 plus 9. Well, here we go. 64 plus 9. Then plus 7 also does equal 80. Then we'll go down here. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So that's 6. Then negative 1 times 10 gives negative 10. And then 9 minus 10 gives negative 1. 6 minus that gives you 5. And then 16. Here we go. Millie likes to multiply by 3. Abby likes to add 2. Sam likes to subtract by 1. What order should they perform their favorite actions, starting with 3 and ending with 14? So you got Millie. What does she like to do? Multiply by 3. And then we've got Abby, who likes to add on 2. And then we've got Sam, who likes to subtract by 1. So we're going to start with 3. And then do these operations 3 times. And then the output needs to be 14. Okay, so since we're starting with 3, and we're going to get a pretty big number quite quickly, what I would try and do is make the biggest number first. So 3 times 3. So I'm going to go 3 times 3. Then 3 times 3 is 9. And then I'm going to add on 2. And then subtract 1. So 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 2 gives 11. 11 take away 1. That all equals 10. So it's not that. So that's not going to work. So we want to make the number bigger before we times it. So let's try adding on 2. So we're going to go 3 plus 2, which gives us 6. 6 times 3, and then take away 1, because we're going to need to use each operation. So 3 plus 2 gives us 6. 6 times 3. Sorry, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 take away 1 equals what we wanted, so that we get 14. So in what order would we need to do? So we need to add on 2 first. So we need to go Abby. Then we're going to multiply, so then we're going to go Millie. And then we're going to have Sam at the end. Cool. That's it. So that's BODMAS all nicely completed. So hopefully you've picked up a few things there. If you do have any questions, please put them in the comments down below. This should hopefully help with your homework while you're doing them at home. Remember, BODMAS, pretty much do your brackets, operation, divide, multiply, add, and then subtract. So that's it from me, from Steam with Steve. Hopefully you've enjoyed. Give us a like and subscribe if you have. That does help with the YouTube algorithm. And yeah, see you next time on Steam with Steve. Adios.